I locked Kinsey and I'm gonna lock Kinsey. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on. Go inside, puppy. Watch this. And then I'm gonna walk her. The back door isn't locked. The back door isn't locked. The back door is not locked.
No. Well, I was. That was when I was there. Well, I was. Yeah, but you didn't move in there till a little bit later. I was there for 4 years. I moved in there.
She hates being on video camera.
It wasn't long after. I mean, yeah, it wasn't too much longer after. It was a little while. It was like a year and a half, probably.
I don't know where she went.
Maybe even 2 years.
There she is, there she is, there she is, there she is. Can't see.
Yeah, you were still living in New Mark. That DJ show.